Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. By using these different types of innovative ideas in the lessons, helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly and in a creative environment. Now we are going to discuss about the innovation ideas which will connect the students in most real life and in a day-to-day lives environment. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board classes third, and the subject is EVS, and the lesson name is It's Raining. It's Raining is the poem. It's a story of an elephant, and it emphasizes the importance of the rain. So this lesson covers the main importance of the rain and the plants, water for the plants and the water for the animals, how the plants are grown, what is the importance of the raining, what is the importance of the water is explained through this lesson. The innovation idea used in this lesson is called homework. Homework is the experiential learning of the lessons through the atmosphere or the environment with the parents involvement. So homework is the revision type of activity. After completing this lesson in the classroom, we are making the students to revise the lesson in their experiential day-to-day life atmosphere with the help of the involvement of their parents. So we are completing the lesson called It's Raining and telling the importance of the rain and what is the importance of the water for plant, what is important for water for animal, how the plant is to be grown, what is the water level which we have to maintain for planting the plant, and how to grow the plant, and how the plant is to be maintained, and how the water is to be given for the animal, what is the importance of keeping the environment green, what is the importance of keeping the animals and giving them a water, are the lessons taught through in our classroom. And we are giving the homework to the students that they have to visit their home. Once after completing the school, they have to go to their home, and the homework related to this lesson is It's Raining. So the student should make, with the help of the parents, the student should make travels and a walk around their home or their street, and they have to observe the entire atmosphere, and they have to grasp the things what are happening related to the water. So the student should go to their home and they have to ask the help from their parents, and the student should make the parents assistance, and they have to write a notes that who are all planting the garden and who are all maintaining the plants around their house atmosphere. If there's a neighbor who is planting a tree or a plant and they are watering and maintaining it, they have to write it down how they are planting it, how they are maintaining it, are the things to be followed, and they have to get the updates from them, and they have to make a note. And the plants which are not maintained properly or not watered properly, the water leaves are dropped, that things are to be observed and written by the students, that how the plant's condition is now, how the leaves are dropped, what is the current condition of the plant, either the plant is alive or dead, are the things to be observed and it's to be noted down. And the water for the plant animals is also to be observed from the person who is watering the animals regularly, or the person who is watering the plant, keeping waters for the birds, or feeding the birds or feeding the animals, also been observed. So there is a cow, if for an example, if there is neighbor is having a cow, so they are watering they are pouring water or providing water for the cow regularly, and how they are feeding the cow, or someone who is using some plastic reusable pots and making pouring water for the pigeon or some cuckoos, so how they are watering the pot, how they are giving the water to the pigeon or a cuckoo or a bird, and how they are feeding the birds or the animals. So by observing each activities in the classroom, in the real life atmosphere in and around their house, with the help of the teachers, helps with the help of the parents, helps the students to observe the real life atmosphere related to the It's Raining. So in the class, as the teachers, we are connecting the students, we are explaining the each lessons to the students about what is the importance of the rain, what is how to plant the trees or a plant, how to water them, how to water animal, what is the importance of the rain, what is the importance of water, what is the importance of water management in the classroom. And we are given, once we are giving this activity for the students to do it in their home related to their daily life, day-to-day atmosphere, they receives and observes a experiential learning with the help of the parents assistance. So the students can connect the lesson directly with their real life environment, and they can observe the each and everything in and around their places. After observing and collecting all those things which they have done in the home was taken to the next day classroom. So the teacher, as a teachers, we will be collecting all those activities done by the students, and we are gathering and seeing how they have observed and making the students to publicize and explain those things in front of the classroom, makes the students to learn in a most friendly environment, and also in sharing knowledges is made possible through this innovation idea called homework. So this is the innovation idea called homework used in the lesson called It's Raining. So more about these types of innovation ideas using in lessons, you can go through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. So kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.